Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Binance to bank account. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And by the way, if you're new to Binance, you can go ahead and check out the link below in the description or at the comments. Okay, just click on it and sign in or sign up. Okay, you will earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus using this link. Also, it will help support the channel. Okay. Going back in here on your Binance dashboard, just go ahead over to your assets, okay? And here, just go ahead and tap on funding, all right? Now in here, just make sure that all your balance is found in here, okay? For example, you still have a balance under spot, okay? Just hit on transfer. Now make sure that 2 is set to funding, okay? Now go ahead and tap on max if you want all of your spot amount to be transferred to your funding wallet. Hit on confirm, okay? Once done, go back to funding, refresh the page, and it should reflect here, okay? Once that's done, tap on your balances or assets, okay? Tap on it. Now in here, you're gonna wanna go ahead and tap on P2P trading, okay? Tap on it. Now instead of buy, you go to sell. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, we have these traders, okay? Now, in the right panel, you have the transfer method. As you can see here, I have here available, which is the Bank of the Philippines. Now make sure at the top right that you set the correct currency, okay? In here, as you can see, we have GoTime Bank, Maya, another Bank of the Philippines, Security Bank, GoTime, and some other options, okay? Just select the one that suits you. Of course, the best ones is at the top. As you can see here, per USDT, it will be 57.12 peso. Now, as you can see here at the very bottom, you have low offers in here. Just make sure to select the one that got the highest and got the bank transfer method that you want. Okay, for example, Bank of the Philippines, tap on sell, wait for it, and then here just tap on the specific amount or tap on all. And again, tap on select the payment method. Here you have Bank of the Philippines, and in here just go ahead and enter your bank account number or any other information that is needed, and once done, just hit on confirm. After that, all you need to do is just tap on place order and just wait for the transfer to take effect. All right, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.